Introducing the Proto J6472 3i Drive Electronic Torque Tester, a reliable and accurate tool designed to meet the demands of professional and DIY users alike. This electronic torque tester from Stanley Proto is a must-have for anyone seeking precise and efficient torque measurements. With a torque range of 25 to 250 inch-pounds, the J6472 tester caters to a wide variety of applications, making it suitable for both light-duty and heavy-duty tasks. The clear and easy-to-read LCD screen displays torque readings in real time, while audible beeps provide additional feedback, ensuring accurate and consistent measurements. The J6472 offers 3 modes of operation: peak, hold, and dial. Peak mode captures the maximum torque value, while hold mode freezes the current reading on the screen. Dial mode allows for continuous monitoring of torque readings. The tester features a male 6.27 mm drive size, making it compatible with a wide range of torque wrenches and attachments. Built to withstand the rigors of daily use, the Proto J6472 is made from high-quality materials that ensure long-lasting performance and durability. Elevate your torque measurement capabilities with the Proto J6472 3/8in Drive Electronic Torque Tester. Its versatility, accuracy, and user-friendly features make it an indispensable tool for both professionals and enthusiasts. Invest in this high-quality torque tester and experience precise and reliable torque measurements every time.